Hello everyone, welcome to Initial Solution. In this tutorial, I will show you how to create AI images. So let's get started the video. To create images, I'm going to use Google AI Studio. Open your web browser and search for Google AI Studio. Once you are here, go to the website. Then click on Get Started. Google will automatically sign into your Google account. This will open this interface. From the right side corner, you can change the model. You can use Gemini or Nano Banana. Select the one you want to use. Also click Images from here. And then select the model. Once you are here, type your prompt. Then click on Run. Wait a few moments while AI generates your image. And there you have it. If you don't like the past result, you can ask AI to make changes. For example, type make the lighting brighter and add more plants. Or anything you want to change in your image. Then click Run. You can continue giving instructions until you get a result you like. Once you are happy with the image, open the result and then click the download icon to download your image. So there you go. I hope this video helped you out. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.